Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're about to work with a Smartsheet consultant, you might be wondering how to get the absolute best results from their expertise. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through 7 practical steps that will help you work side by side with your consultant and make sure the solution they deliver is precisely tailored to what your team needs. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap for collaborating effectively and maximizing the value you get from Smartsheet. Let's dive right in. First, before anything gets underway, you'll want to define clear goals for the project. Imagine you're building a house. You wouldn't just hand over a pile of bricks and hope for the best. You need blueprints. So sit down and consider what you want to achieve with Smartsheet. Is it automating your approval processes? Creating a dashboard that tells you at a glance where your projects stand? Or maybe it's generating reports that finally make sense to everyone. The more specific you can be about your objectives, the easier it will be for your consultant to design a solution that hits the mark. Take your time here. Clarity up front avoids confusion later. Next, share your current process with the consultant in as much detail as you can. Think of it like sharing the before picture. They'll need to know exactly what's working, what isn't, and all the little steps your team goes through on a daily basis. Don't hold back. Send over spreadsheets, outline manual steps, and point out pain points, even the ones you've learned to live with. The richer the context, the better equipped your consultant will be to streamline and simplify your workflow. Sometimes we get used to inefficient routines, so an outside perspective is invaluable here. Third, it's really important to identify key stakeholders from the start. That means not just the managers, but the people who will actually be using Smartsheet day to day. Looping these folks in early, maybe through a quick intro call or sharing key project details, ensures your consultant creates a solution that isn't just theoretically great, but actually practical and user-friendly. You'd be surprised how often a project goes off the rails simply because the right voices weren't heard until too late. Now, here's a step that's easy to overlook: providing access and the correct permissions. Smartsheet is all about collaboration, so your consultant will need the right level of access to your sheets, reports, and workspaces. Setting this up at the start helps avoid those awkward roadblocks when you're deep into the build phase. If you're unsure about which permissions to grant, don't worry, your consultant can guide you. Getting this nailed down early keeps your project moving smoothly. Next up, be open to best practices. Your consultant has probably seen what works and what doesn't across many teams and industries. Sometimes they'll recommend new routines or tools that might be different from how you've always worked, but could really boost your results. Be flexible and give these suggestions a fair hearing. Think of it as upgrading from an old flip phone to a smartphone. It might take a little adjustment, but once you see the benefits, you won't look back. Step number 6 is to test and give feedback. As your consultant develops prototypes or sets up automations, make sure to review, test, and let them know what's working and what still needs tweaking. Don't worry if you're not technical, the best feedback is honest and practical. This back and forth helps iterate the solution till it fully fits your needs and avoid surprises when the final version goes live. Lastly, plan for training and proper handover. Once the build is finished, ask for documentation, a walkthrough, or even a team training session. This ensures your staff can confidently manage and adapt the solution as your processes evolve. Think of it as getting the keys and an instruction manual, not just being left at the wheel without knowing how the controls work. And that's it. Put these steps into action, and you'll be amazed at how much more value you get from your Smartsheet consultant. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. Drop any questions or experiences you have in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more practical tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.